Hello, we are Wheelchair Transfer Systems, WTS for short. In the bottom right, there is a picture of us from left to right. It is Brian Salazar, Ian Smith, me, Joseph Barbazet, and Navdeep Sharma. The objective of our project was to design a wheelchair transfer device for our sponsor. He wanted a lightweight portable device that would lift him up 6 inches for all types of terrain. He specifically wanted to use this to get into vehicles such as vans and trucks, on elevated beds, and onto four-wheelers. These are our first designs that we created in CAD. Our first design incorporated a scissor jack lift with one solid base on top, but it was found out to be too unstable to support a person and a chair. The next design, we have steps instead of a ramp, in which the user would wheelie onto the platform, but it was found out that that requires too much energy and also requires another person, which we did not want because we want to create independence with our device. These charts show the pros and cons of all the materials that we were thinking about choosing, and based on the specifics such as weldability, hardness, corrosion resistance, and cost, we chose aluminum for the main material and stainless steel for our fasteners. For the graph on the right is how we decided for the final lifting mechanism, and ramp was chosen because of its high stability, high safety, and high durability. For our final design, we created a U shape in order to cut down on weight, and we split the ramp in half at the top and added connectors for easier portability and more lightweight, to make it more lightweight. The platform has 4 leveling legs that can adjust the height of the platform and allows for it to be used on all terrains. They can be seen on each corner attached to a securing device that was welded to the frame and machined out. Finally, there are 2 ramps at the end of the U shape that allow the user easy access to the raised platform after it has already been raised. In order to come to this final design, we used AutoCAD to create the prototype and test in multiple different ways with different materials and different altercations to come up with the perfect design. Once we created the perfect CAD model, we made it out of wood as a prototype for our sponsor so that he could see our final design and feel out how he would use it. He approved of the design with slight modifications, and then we started building our final design that we have now. For the fabrication of the design, we had to cut out aluminum tubing and sheets to shape and then weld them together. Then we placed the as we welded the frame together, we then added a diamond plated sheet on top and welded that on top to add traction for all different types of terrain and weathers. In conclusion, WTS created a safe, durable, and practical transfer device for our sponsor that has the potential to be altered down the road and to add further accommodations as needed. We would like to give a special thanks to our advisors, QL Plus, and our challenger, Jeffrey Donzel. Thank you.